Hey, everybody. So, what if you could create some scroll stopping Facebook ads under 30 minutes without staring at that blank Canva screen and without hiring a copywriter? Now, most entrepreneurs, they don't struggle with ads per se because they're lacking talent, but they struggle with what's known as angles. Angles are everything in ads. And if you're like everybody else, you've got a million things on your plate and you're probably struggling with time and just one more thing that you have to do. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use our good old ChatGPT or any of your favorite AI little chats and Canva AI together. Oh my goodness, to create powerful ad angles, and then how you can instantly turn them into image ads that will actually get attention. So no fluffy ideas, no generic templates. It's going to blow your mind. So strategic, targeted ad angles built for your offer. So make sure you stay with me to the end because I'm going to show you how you can prompt ChatGPT to give you that real ad angle, not just that surface level, and how you can extract multiple positioning angles from just one offer. And then you can test to see which angle is going to work best for you. And then the beautiful thing, we're going to drop it straight into Canva AI and let Canva build these visual concepts. And also, we're going to talk about how you can avoid the biggest mistake people make when they're using AI for ads. Because let's face it, how many ads do you see out there and you just think, oh, very boring. They're all beginning to look the same. So at the end, stick with me. You'll see how you can go from, I don't know what to say, to creating multiple ad creatives ready to test. Okay. So the flow that we're going to use is we're going to open up ChatGPT, and again, whatever your favorite AI tool is, and you're going to get it to help you off to clarify the offer and the audience, and then we're going to create the ad angles. Okay, we'll refine that emotional hook. Then we're going to move that into Canva, and then we're going to let Canva create all of these different image variations, and then at that point we can just polish and deploy. Okay, so it's not about trying to add more stuff on your plate, right? We're just going to amplify your thinking and use two simple AI tools that you're probably using every day anyway. All right. So the first thing is I'm going to hop over to ChatGPT, and instead of just saying, hey, write me a Facebook ad, we're going to prompt it for something even smarter. Okay. So let me share my screen, and the prompts that I'm using, I will share those in the comments so you can snag those also. Let me show this on the screen and let's go. Well, first, let me just show you, you should be able to see this. Let me just make it a little bigger. Again, I will drop this inside of the comments down below. But the first thing we're going to do, we're going to say, give me 10 distinct Facebook angles for who's your audience, what are they struggling with, and then what are some of those emotional triggers. And again, you could, ask ChatGPT to help you with some of this if you need help. Okay, so I'm just going to copy that since I already have it written. And let me just start a new chat here because I was playing with it before I started. So let's just paste this in here, just like what you saw. And it's going to think about it for a second, and then it will come back and give us some of these emotionally distinct Facebook angles, right? So it's bringing out who my audience is, what her expertise is, but what she's struggling with. So in this example, I'm just talking about inconsistent lead flow, simple systems, things like that. Okay. And then it's given me 10 because that's what I asked for. So now I'm just going to read over these, the overwhelm, reset, too many ideas, too many platforms, tech confidence builder, wasted time, inconsistent income, hidden genius. Let's see here. Still generating, simplicity. Okay, I kind of like this. Lately, I've been focusing on simplicity, clarity. Less simple is best. Let's just focus on that. All right. So I'm going to use number 10. Now, if we go back to our little ad angles, then the next thing I'm going to say is here, it just says number 3. Let me just change this to X because whatever X you want, turn angle X into 5 bold headlines that feel urgent and direct. So I'm going to copy that. Come back over here. And in my example, it's number 10. So let's put that in. And so now it's giving me the 5 bold, urgent headlines. Your business is too complicated. Fix it this week. Stop building bigger funnels, build a system lead engine. I kind of like that one. If your marketing feels heavy, it's broken, simplify it now. You don't need another strategy. You need a simple system, less noise, more clients, simplifying today. Because I'm all about simple, I think I'm going to use number 5 here. So I'm just going to copy that. Now, pay attention. Here's where the real magic is. I'm going to go over to Canva. And if you haven't noticed or found this, I kind of stumbled on it by accident. I mean, the AI world is just moving so quickly, it's really hard to keep up with it. But in my Canva account, now I do have the paid account. I don't know even how much it is nowadays, $15 a month or something. But over here on the side, there's something called Canva AI. All right. And then it's going to help me. And so I'm just going to paste that in. Whoops. Let me come back over here. I forgot my prompt. So the first thing we're going to tell it is to create a bold Facebook ad imaging who my target audience is, okay, and what they're overwhelmed with. And then I'm just giving it some more specifics. All right, so I'm going to grab that. Then I'm going to come back over here and I'm just going to paste it here. And let's give it a second here and see what it comes up with. Sometimes it still has a little bit of typos, but that's not too bad. I like this. Less noise, more clients, start simplifying today. Okay, so that one's pretty good. Now, another, just a side note, little interesting thing is, I feel like they're just changing everything. So the ad size here is a little odd, but when I did some research, this is one of the sizes you can use if you are going to actually run ads to it. Okay, so there's quite a few typos here. So we can just open it in the editor. Okay. And then we can just modify it a little bit. All right, let me come back here. I can find my screen, hide this. Now, that's just super simple. It's just giving you some, basically just text on colored background and stuff. If you want to go really deep, then what you do, again, using your favorite AI tool, tell it to create all of the directions to make the actual ad. And it will come back and it'll say, use this font, do this, do this, do this. Then you take that and you paste it into Canva. And then Canva has all of the step-by-step specifics that it knows what to do. So let me show you. Been working on one of my clients. Let me see if this is it. Let's see. So in this one, what I've done is I've just copied. So again, working in AI, I told it to give me these ad angles, but I said to actually write the background information to, like if I was going to hand this off to a VA, okay? So here it's got the step-by-step directions on what to do to create that. And then if you'll notice here, I just pasted all of these different ad angles in here. All of these are images. Look how beautiful these images are. And then at this point, I'm just going to drop these images into my Facebook account. Again, this is for one of my clients here, and so I'm setting up different ad angles for them. So very detailed. It did take me, let me come back and look at you eyeball here. It did take me a little longer to do that, but not that much. I just had a couple of extra prompts inside of one of my AI tools. And I said, okay, here's all my ad angles. And I want you to give me step-by-step all of the directions to create a very scroll stopping image that I can hand this off to my VA or my designer. And then that's where it gave me all of that very detailed information. And then I just took that block of code, pasted it into AI, and it came up with that. And all of that is an image, and it was like perfect. Okay, so I mean, you can't get much. What am I thinking of? It can't get much easier than that. Okay, I'm not a designer. I'm more of a geek, so I know what works, what looks good. But for me to spend my time actually designing all of these things inside of Canva, I would much rather spend 20 minutes with my little AI friends here and then just have them do it. Okay. So what we did was we just took a simple but direct prompt, put it into ChatGPT, and told it to give us 10 different angles for that. And then we tweaked it a little bit. Then we dumped it into Canva, and we gave it some very specific information. You could add more information, like use my certain brand colors, all of that kind of stuff. All right. So this fixes the friction for you, because if you've started running ads, depending on where you're at in your business, you might be feeling like you're just flushing money down the toilet. You try an ad and it didn't work. Well, running ads is just all about testing the market, and you have to test different angles. So think about, you're in a crowded room, you look this way, you look this way, you look this way. So you just have to come up with different angles and test the market. Throw it out there. Don't put a lot of money on it, $5 a day, and test to see which ones people are clicking on to get the interest. And then you'll know, okay, this angle really hits them where it hurts, so to speak. Then you can dig even deeper into that. All right. So if you're ready to stop guessing or trying to duct tape, trying to even keep your head above water with using AI tools, try to make it an actual advantage in your business and not just a toy, then reach out, because it's time to build some simple systems. Remember, I said simple and systems into your business, so that basically it's rinse and repeat. We don't have to, get our master's degree with AI. We're going to pick the best tools, simple little tools, just like I showed you today, ChatGPT and Canva, and have a nice system to be able to explode your business. So if you want some help with that, reach out. I'll put my calendar link below, and let's have a little chat. So get on my strategy chat calendar, and we'll see what happens. And as always, if this was useful, make sure that you share it with someone who else could benefit. And I would love it if you give me a little love, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to it, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, take care.